I would like to ask, are you a taxi driver, a car owner, a ride-hailing or a rideshare driver? It doesn't matter whether you drive a car, an SUV or a keke napep. What I want to share with you is so amazing and mind-blowing. I want to introduce you to a brand new taxi booking and hailing mobile app platform, carefully built and designed with two unique and separate service systems specifically created to ease the working lifestyle and conditions of mobile app drivers. The platform I'm talking about is GovaRide. It is presently available across the entire country with over 5,000 drivers already on board. So, listen carefully, this is where it gets interesting. As I said earlier, the GovaRide platform is designed with two types of service systems available for drivers to choose from. The first one is called the commission-based system, which simply charges 15% of each trip completed by any driver. Number two, on the other hand, is called the subscription-based system, which is designed to only charge 15,000 Naira monthly rental fee, and any driver who pays this amount will have full access to the platform for 30 days without paying any other charges. With so many other unique features on the platform, GovaRide is where all drivers should be right now. Just imagine a platform carefully built to help your hustle. This is why we are open, friendly, supportive, and highly responsive. At GovaRide, drivers are not just our partners, but we recognize every driver as a GovaRide ambassador. We do this because we see drivers as the first point of contact to our users. In addition to this, drivers are the frontline service providers to all users on GovaRide. This is why we take the safety of both drivers and users very seriously, and hence the reasons why we properly profile our users just as much as we profile the drivers. GovaRide believes in building a safe environment for everyone, and we do not compromise on that. We urge you to quickly download the GovaRide Drivers app now and complete your registration. One of our admins will contact you immediately, or you can directly call us on WhatsApp on +234 913 4190402 or +234 913 416 1454. In addition to this, are you a driver or social media community who thinks he or she can get some drivers to join GovaRide? Well, you're in luck because I have some good news for you. GovaRide has a program called G-Ride Agent, which is designed to put some serious money into your pocket whether you drive or not. For more info on this, call any of our admins now. At this point, I want to sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch this video up till this length. Please go now and download the GovaRide Driver app. Remember to share this with all your friends and watch out for GovaRide as we are already in your neighborhood. GovaRide, simple, safe, and sweet.
Book a taxi now.
GovaRide, simple, safe, and sweet.